have a very special guest with us, Vivek Sharma, and an angel coach, Abhipsa Das. And I came to know through Abhipsa that Vivek was having a lot of gut issues, dry eyes, skin allergy, and sinusitis. Vivek has something to share with you. So let's see how much Vivek has reversed these problems. So I'll come to Vivek and then I'll come to Abhipsa. How has been the journey?
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. My name is Vivek Sharma, and I'm 20 years old, and I'm from Mumbai. I am a student, and all these health problems, especially these sinusitis and cold issues, were from when I was 4 years old. And these digestive issues mostly started from 2018, but after getting COVID in 2021 January, these issues were continuously started to increase. And in 2022 my gut issues were increased a lot, and I also got a lymph node because of some infection. And so doctor has had prescribed some antibiotics. Then all that goes in 2022, and I've also taken many ayurvedic medicines also after allopathy. I am eating antibiotics and medicines from when I was 4 and 5 years old. So but that relief was temporary, not permanent. So in 2023, I was searching for some naturopathy thing, and I came across Go Nature via an advertisement on Instagram, actually, on March 2023. And I just signed up for the free webinar, which comes on Wednesday and Sunday. And after attending that, I talked with my family. And in May, 3rd or 4th May, I subscribed to your silver membership, and after attending the silver course, it was an eye opener for me for most of the things which I don't know about naturopathy. So I applied for gold membership also. So in July 2003, from 24th, my diet plan started, and it's almost 3 weeks or 1 month. And I have seen significant improvement in most of my cases. My gut issues are almost resolved. I had dryness from 2021 after COVID, that has also resolved. And I am myopic from last 15 years. And I have minus 5.6 power in both my eyes. And doctor had also prescribed me LASIK surgery, but my coach has told me not to go for it. And I have hair fall also, and sinusitis, allergy to dust and all that thing. So in that areas also I have seen major improvement. So, and I have followed the diet plan which she had given me 100%, and I have seen a major improvement in all the areas. And I have lot of different types of problems. I also have spondylitis in lumbar region, and doctor said it's kind of congenital. It can be, because I'm not into sports and all that things a lot. Dry eyes problem is 90 to 100% resolved, and gut issues are also 80-90% resolved. And I have seen 50% improvement in my sinus and cold problems. You say overall 70 to 80% improvement I have seen in 1 month.
Wow. In just 1 month.
Yeah, so I have seen significant improvement in only 1 month, and 2 more months are there. So I'm sure that all my problems will be 100% resolved.
Great. Thank you so much, Vivek. And it's a very powerful thing that you are doing. It's powerful results. So guys, I'll introduce you to the angel coach, Abhipsa. Abhipsa, how has been your journey with Vivek?
So, good evening, Vivek, and good evening to everyone. The journey has been amazing, and the reason is Vivek Sharma. He is following 100%, you can say, and so the result is in front of all of us. And I just want to deliver one message to the world. If the aspiration, the willpower is there in oneself to get healed and enjoy a healthy life, then doors will definitely open for him or her one day. But after that, we need to put everything into action. Then definitely we will get success.
Thank you so much, Abhipsa. It's really touching. And I think I would admit,
thank you,
I cannot give these kinds of results in 1 month. I'm honestly speaking in front of everyone. I cannot give these kinds of results in 1 month, but the way you guys are doing, thank you. I'm so thankful to God that I connected with you, and you are the coach of Go Nature. So Go Nature is yours. I'm just a back-end person. Thank you, Vivek. More power to you. Long way to go, guys. Right? Long way to go. It's just a beginning. Okay, thank you. Everybody, please type MPTY for both the great souls. Thank you so much.